Hello, sweet crafty friends. It's Carol from Crinkled Path Journals, and I have another GRABIE unboxing. As I mentioned in previous GRABIE videos, I am a GRABIE affiliate this year, and so you will be seeing boxes probably every month. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment, and if you do so choose to not only support GRABIE and their cause, but my own, you can purchase things through the link in my video description box below. So thanks in advance for that. I agreed to be an affiliate for GRABIE because I enjoy the fact that this company not only has amazing art products, but they also support art therapy through their art fund, which when you purchase from them, that gives them the opportunity to share with others who need supplies for art therapy. I'm already excited about this kit because who doesn't love some yummy fruits and veggies and other food? Oh my goodness. This is the Flavor Folio kit. And I have been working on transitioning my garden from my winter garden to my spring garden. And so I'm really hoping that I can use some things from this kit and another kit that I know is on its way to do a little journaling about my garden and our last year being here on the farm. Let's see what's in this box. Oh my goodness, I am getting low on doilies, so this is perfect timing. There's a huge stack of them here. And then look at how cute these Post-it notes are. Oh, those are going to be so fun to use. I love their little vellum envelopes that they pack things in, and I do save them and use them again in my projects. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the little fancy antique silverware. We have knives, forks, and spoons with the little bow. And then we have some fancy platters, it looks like. They are embossed and die cut, and they're heavy duty. Like, these can be standalone journaling cards. Oh, those are really pretty. Oh, and the Lily of the Valley. Very nice. Let's see what this is. Oh my goodness. It's a card where you make all the different layers and then it accordions out. Here's a picture. Focus, please. That's going to be really fun to build. It reminds me a bit of a kit that I got from them last year where they had storefronts, and I really had a lot of fun building those storefronts, only this one is going to be a multi-layered card. Oh, that's going to be perfect. And I have a friend who owns a bakery, and that would be a wonderful birthday card for her. Now, they have the kits like this that come with the extras plus this book. Yes, and another sticker for my stack up here. Now they have both the kits with the extras, but you can also just purchase their cut out and stick it collage books separately on the website. And so I will link both the box and the book in my description box. Plus I have a 15% off anything you buy. And they have such wonderful gel pens, acrylic pens, watercolors. There's so much on their site that you should really check it out. So far, everything that I have gotten from GRABIE has been really great quality. Okay, let me pull my camera up a little bit. And let's get flipping through this. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so much fun. So first we have morning. We have our pastries and our refrigerator. Oh, did you used to like to do the little activity books when you were a kid where you could cut out little things and tuck them into different dollhouse kind of scenarios? This is like the grown-up version, and it's really fun, and I bet my granddaughter will love playing with some of these. Oh, these are so cute. They're die cuts in their toast. Oh no. it's the gradation of toasting. That's pretty funny. And it even comes with a little toaster. Oh my goodness, this is too fun. And look at the tags. Oh, I love it. This is funny. It's a little sandwich builder. I wonder... Oh, they're washi tape. Oh, that's great. I really love whimsy in my art, and this is right up my alley. Coffee. And I do love that they do something on the back of the sticker papers. So these are stickers. So when you peel off the stickers, then you have this piece of paper on the back to play with when you're done pulling your stickers off. And I really love that. That's just really genius. These are sweet. Anybody have a coffee journal in their future? Some breakfast. We are hoping to do a brunch for the ladies on our country road, and I can see making some little things for on the table using this kit. I think that would be so cute. Okay, now we are to burgers, fries, and pop culture. This is great. So I really need to do a journal page about our local restaurant. So we live in a town of about 270, now 274 people with the addition of our family. These pages are so fun. But our only business in our town that is not a farm is a road trip bar and grill, which they do live music from May to October. They do dollar burger and fry night every Thursday. And so we are regulars there for a dollar night to listen to the music and to get great burgers for a buck. And we also love to go for breakfast on a special occasion. Oh, look at the French fry packages. And so I really need to do a gratitude journaling page for that because it's a wonderful family tradition and it saves us a night of cooking and it saves the wallet. Like a newspaper vellum. These are all vellums. It's fun. Oh, and this reminds me of the little papers they put in the baskets. Oh, and then here's where I thought I might get some garden ideas. So this is the Natural Bounty section. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. And all the fruit. Oh my goodness, that's so fun. Look at these retro stickers. Those are great. Oh, I love that. Oh, looks like this might be a project for Miss M. Build a little apple. Isn't that cute? So we cut them out and then you cut a slit and they slide together. Oh my goodness. That would be fun. Every November early in November, we go to an apple festival in Apple Hill. And this year, I'll be going to the Georgia Apple Festival in October for our retreat. And all the ladies who come on the retreat will get to go on that excursion for the day to the Apple Festival. There's an art festival that's happening in a nearby town from where we're staying, and there's thrifting there as well. So it's going to be a fancy day together out in getting out and about and seeing some of the local sites and tasting some of the flavors of the local area. At the time of this filming, we have 2 slots still available. Oh, these would be so fun in recipe journals. I have some recipe journals that I have had for a while, and I really want to rewrite a bunch of my recipes into those for my daughters. Oh, these are cute little tabs. Can you imagine? You could put those in a recipe journal as well. Yeah, so if you are interested in coming to the retreat, the down payment listing to sign up is on the Makers Market at district.net/Makers Market, and it's under my shop there. And then we will handle the rest of the payment through a PayPal invoice. Oh, look at all the yummy desserts. Oh, and there's a little box you can put together. Look at all the honey. Yeah, this would be really cute for the brunch too. This is just really giving me lots of ideas. Oh, these are little punch out die cuts, little syrupy waffles and some whipped cream and fruit. Oh my gosh, these will be so fun for making maybe place cards or something at the table, or doing little tags on the food we're serving. Now we've got some cookies and some fortune cookies. Have you ever visited the original fortune cookie factory in San Francisco, California? It's tucked in a little alley, and it's the tiniest little shop. It's about the size of a master bedroom large walk-in closet, and they still make fresh fortune cookies there. If you're ever in San Francisco, you've got to look that up. Look at the background on this stickers. Oh, I love the vintage looking appliances, but then again, the back page is just as beautiful as the stickers. Oh, this is a great kit, GRABIE. You really came into our hearts and home and touched on the kitchen and cooking. And one of the best things about moving out to this farm with our oldest daughter and her whole family is that we have been dividing up the cooking. Road trip gets to do Thursday night, but the rest of the week we divide up the other 6 days, and we have dinner together every night. And it is really such a precious thing for our family to get back to that tradition, because it's so easy to just grab a plate. Well, these would be cute for the women's brunch too. Grab a plate and sit in front of the TV and not stare at each other or not talk to each other. And so it's been really, really fun. And now that the weather has warmed up, we've also been barbecuing and having some dinner poolside. We have a teeny little pool, which is just the right size for cooling off when it gets really hot. And our granddaughter loves to get in the evening when it's warm before she gets her last wiggles out to go to bed. Okay, now they have these bookmarks, and if you collect all the bookmarks for the year, or 6, I think it's 6 or 12. Let me see. I know I talked about this in my other ones. Yes, if you take a photograph of 6 that you collect and email it to GRABIE, you get a reward. And if you collect all 12, you get a reward as well. They are magnetic and they just cling on the page really nice. So those will be a nice addition to my cookbook. Well, GRABIE has been such a wonderful company to be an affiliate for. They're very, as I said in my GRABIE video where my granddaughter was crafting a little bit with me at the end, they are a very family first affiliate. I love that they are looking out for me and making sure that the schedule and things can fit into my timeline and not take away from my family life. So thank you, GRABIE. And I can't say enough about how much I admire that this company really puts its money where its mouth is by donating art supplies to organizations that are promoting therapy as art, especially for those who are disadvantaged and unable to get art supplies. So those of us who have the ability to purchase art supplies, I love that we can buy from a company, add to our stash, but add to their ability to give as well. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching this one, and I will come back with a little make with some of these fun things. Thanks for listening to my little stories today as I flip through this. So much of this is such a reminder of home, and so I love that. Thanks, GRABIE, and thanks to all of my viewers. I really appreciate each of you. You have to know how much it means to me when you come by, spend a little time with me, watch, and leave a comment. And I can't thank you enough for that. Take care, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.